One, two, three.
So whether you've been an iOS user for some time now or you're new to iOS, it's always nice to uncover some new features. So here are some of my top useful tips and tricks for 2020. Now the first feature on this list can be found in Safari. This is something I use quite often. It's been really useful. I use it to save time in order to right away find what I'm looking for. For example, if I want to fact check a specific spec about a device, since you usually have to sometimes scroll until you find that specific spec, or if you just want to look up a keyword, you can by going back to the search bar and typing that keyword and then tapping on find. It'll then highlight whatever it was that you were looking for and give you various options to go through. It's been a super convenient feature to know about, and it's been especially useful within a sea of information. Now the next feature on this list has been a huge headache reliever. If you've ever gotten a call from an unknown number that you usually end up silencing or ignoring anyways, well, you can have your iPhone automatically do that for you. If you head over to settings under phone, right above blocked contacts, there's a toggle that'll silence any calls from unknown callers. They'll then be sent to voicemail and will be displayed under recents list. All other calls from your contacts or recent outgoing calls will continue to ring, so there's no need to worry about it silencing all your calls. Now this feature is really useful, but I know there are some people out there that because of their jobs need to answer calls from unknown numbers. But if that's not you, then this is definitely a useful feature worth checking out. Now the next two features are within the camera app. So with some of the recent updates, Apple has hid away a few settings. For example, before if we held onto the shutter button, it would go into burst mode. Well, Apple decided to change that, so now if you do so, it'll start recording a video. So to get into burst mode, all you have to do is swipe left on the shutter button and just keep holding. Also within the camera app, if you want to mess with a few settings while on the camera tab, by swiping up you can access a few settings that will include changing the aspect ratio. It's also beneficial to use if you're only using one hand to turn the flash on or off, as it's usually located at the top left corner, making it harder to reach. Also, that'll be the same for live photos and adding timers. Oh, and the filters are also located on there. But moving over to messaging, if you've ever wanted to copy something from a message someone has sent you, for example an address that you want to forward, well, you would usually have to tap and hold the message, tap on more, and then you could just click on what messages you wanted copied. Well, if you actually just two finger tap on a specific message that you want to copy and forward, it'll do just that, so it'll make it faster and easier for you to do so. Just a small shortcut that could save you some time. Anyways, hope this video has been useful. If you enjoyed and want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that like button as well as subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.